As we approach fall and winter, you may be tempted to turn off your ceiling fan. That's not the case. Your ceiling fan can be used in the winter and it may even help you reduce your electricity bill and keep you warmer. Now you'll notice that these blades have an angle to them, and that's going to determine which way the air is being pushed. You want to find this out, you're not too sure which way your blades are spinning, turn it on, and if you feel a draft underneath, it's blowing air down. Change the direction, and if you don't feel a draft underneath anymore, that means it's blowing air up. And that's what we want when it comes to winter time. What that's going to do is circulate the air up and then back down towards the ground. Everybody knows hot air rises, so if you don't get the air up and back down, it's just going to stay at the top here and keep the ceiling really warm, but not your feet. I can change direction of mine with this remote. It's really easy to use. I really like that. But I also have a fan in the house where I have to use this little black toggle switch to change the direction of which way the fan is spinning. A little bit different. Now your fans may spin in opposite directions in your house, so just because one setting works for one fan doesn't mean it's going to work for the other fan. The fact that you're already working on your fan, it'd be a good time to remove all the dust, get the duster out and get rid of all the dust that's up there that's accumulated over the summer. You don't want that getting kicked back at you when you change the direction of the fan. I hope you found this video useful on how to use your ceiling fan in the winter to help keep you warm and reduce energy costs.